Today, I'll be cooking homemade steak and pesto pasta. The ingredients are here. You can check that out. Also, yung chicken, minarinate ko lang siya sa garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. Let's boil the pasta first and then let's cook the sauce. Usually, yung pasta pala, 12 minutes lang maboboil. And then I just added salt dun sa water. Afterwards, rinunning water ko na lang siya to stop cooking. Then, let's begin with the pasta sauce. So, sa pasta sauce, I just mince the garlic and the onion. After nun, yung chicken chunks na ang next. And the mushroom. Let's just stir it over and over para hindi siya masunog. And next is the pesto sauce. So, in-incorporate ko lang yung pesto sauce para lumasa siya dun sa chicken itself. And then I added the pasta water and simmer it for about 1 minute. After niyang masimmer, let's add the all-purpose cream. In here pala, I lowered the fire kasi para di masunog yung cream itself. Let's just simmer it and then adjust mo na lang ng salt and pepper to taste. After nyan, nilagay ko na yung pasta. Minix ko na sila all together. And there, tapos na siya. Next dish naman is the homemade steak. So, we bought the steak from SNR. So, the size and the cut of the steak is like half an inch. So, let's cook each side for a minute. So, i-adjust nyo na lang yung kasi yung kinalabasan nito is di siya ganun ka medium rare, but the steak itself is tender. Next is, i-flip ko na siya for 1 minute ulit. And then, do basting. Binis ko siya ng butter, garlic, and thyme. 30 seconds lang siya to baste. And then, I let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes para hindi matanggal yung juice niya. After kong tanggalin yung meat dun sa pan, I cook naman the gravy. So the gravy consists of the cornstarch. And then I added na the butter. Cook mo lang ng maigi yung butter. And then I added water, pepper, and the chicken bouillon. Nag-add din pala ako dyan ng Worcestershire sauce for color and taste din. Pero adjust mo na lang to your liking. And kaboom! Nandiyan na yung steak with gravy. Happy Sunday! Kain tayo!